This video, I will be teaching you how to remove watermark from any video in less than 60 seconds. Let's dive straight into the process. So I use this software to remove watermark from this video. So this download this app here, Video Watermark, from your Play Store, and you can as well get the Pro version. If you want to get the Pro, you let me know on the comment section so that I will tell you how to go about it. So what you do after downloading it, you open it, click on it, you'll see remove watermark. You click on remove watermark, then you look for the video that you want to remove watermark from. In mine, I'm taking this video. You can see now there's watermark on this video by this platform that owns this video. So you can see there's watermark on it. Now I want to remove this watermark. What you do, you just draw a rectangle on this watermark. What you do now, you draw a rectangle, make the rectangle to, or the triangle, whatever, to fill the watermark you want to remove. Make it fill it like this way. Okay, it's right now. So once you are done, just make sure it fits the watermark. So how to do that is just to click on it and drag. You will see how the rectangle will appear, and you position it to where you want to remove it, and you make sure you start from the beginning. You start from the beginning of the video, like as it is here now. You can see from the timeline here, there's a kind of yellow sign up here, and once you are done, you click on export. So if you are using the Pro version like my own now, you can click on Full HD, but if you are not using the Pro version, you can click on this HD 720p. So if you are using a Pro version, you can click on this Full HD. So once you export in this format, you will not lose any quality. So I click on Full HD. Now the watermark is removing. You can see it's on processing, removing watermark. Please wait. So it will take time, a little time, depending on the length of your video. So you're gonna wait for it to finish processing. So let me know your best watermark remover app on the comment section, or if you want me to talk about any other remover app, watermark remover app from video, let me know so that I can do a video to show you how to do it with that app, or how you can get the Pro of that app. So you can see it has finished processing. It has processed up to 100%. So what I'll do now, I will play. You can see there's no more watermark in that video. So that's how to easily remove watermark from any video easily. So thank you for watching, and endeavor to watch our next video.